Now see the series combination of resistors. Already we know that what is meant by resistance. Resistance is a property to oppose the flow of electric current. So a device which is used to produce resistance is known as resistor. So if you given two or more resistors, if you want to connect it all these resistors, we have two different ways. In that way, first one is series combination. So what is meant by series combination first? Now let us see, this is one resistor, this is one resistor, let this is R1, this is another resistor, this is R2. So every resistor is having two electrodes, this is one electrode, this is one electrode, here also two electrodes. So these electrodes, the second electrode of first resistor is connected with the first electrode of second resistor, in vice versa. If number of resistors are given, R1, R2, R3 like that, if it is given, then these are connected in this way, then this is considered as series combination of resistors. So I consider only two resistors, we can consider three resistors also, four resistors also. So when these two are connected in series combination, what is the effective resistance in the circuit, or what is the resultant resistance in the circuit, we have to find out. So this is connected in a circuit, this is a circuit, electric circuit. It consists of a battery here, this is a tap key. So then electric current is passing in this direction, in this direction electric current is passing. Now we have to find out the effective resistance of these two resistors, combination of these two resistors, or we can call it as resultant resistance. Effective resistance or resultant resistance, both are same. So here, when electric current is passing through this is I, electric current is passing through this, so this electric current passing through the resistor R1 and electric current passing through the resistor R2 is also same. Here also I electric current passes, here also I electric current passes. Why? Because it is having only one way. So whatever the electric current is produced, because of the potential difference created by the battery, the same electric current passes through the R1 and R2 also. So electric current passing through R1 and R2 is same here. So I is equals to I1 is equals to I2. Here if you consider I1, I2, the electric current is same. But here we are creating potential difference by using the battery. So the potential difference passing through this is different. Why? Because this is one resistor. So between this resistor is having two electrodes. Here potential difference may be different. Why? Because the resistors are different. So the resistance of this resistor, the resistance of the second resistor are not same. So opposing capacity is not same. So the potential difference created is different. So here potential difference, let it be V1, this is V2. So total potential difference, if you produce here V, that should be equal to V1 plus V2. Why? Because total potential difference created here V from the battery, from the source of electricity, which is nothing but battery. So from that potential difference is passing through this. So V is equals to V1 plus V2 we can write. But according to Ohm's law, we know that V is equal to IR. V is equal to IR. So V is equal to IR. V1 is equal to I1 R1. V2 is equal to I2 R2. But here I is equal to I1 is equal to I2. So instead of that you can write V1 is equal to I R1. This is also V2 is equal to I R2 you can write. Now substitute the values in this equation. So V is equals to V1 plus V2. So V means IR, you can write IR is equal to V1 is equals to IR1 plus IR2 here. So this, if you consider, here I will write IR is equals to I, you can take it as common one, R1 plus R2 you can write. So this is R1 plus R2. So I cancelled. So R is equals to R1 plus R2. So this is nothing but effective resistance or resultant resistance. Re means effective resistance or resultant resistance. So resultant resistance is equal to sum of the individual resistors in the circuit. So this is the series combination, resultant resistance in series combination of the resistors in a given electric circuit.